Have you ever wondered why certain men seem to stay on a woman's mind without putting in a lot of effort? It isn't always about appearance, wealth, or social status. More often, it's the little habits and subtle gestures that leave the deepest emotional impression. Most men completely ignore these small details, but in today's video, you'll learn 7 simple things that can make you much more memorable and emotionally appealing. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last point is one of the most powerful and overlooked of them all. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore relationship dynamics, attraction, and the subtle factors that influence human connection. Today, we're looking at 7 things women truly appreciate, even though they rarely mention them openly. If you've ever asked yourself what helps build a deeper emotional connection and leaves a lasting positive impression, then this video is for you. Before we begin, leave a like if you enjoy videos like this. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to keep creating valuable content. Also, comment 1 if you find these insights helpful. If not, comment 2 and let me know how I can improve. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos. Number 1, creating a calm atmosphere before meaningful moments. Physical touch is one of the strongest ways to build emotional closeness. For many women, a gentle shoulder or back massage isn't only relaxing, it also communicates care, patience, and genuine attention. By taking the time to help her relax, you're showing that her comfort is important to you. Use a lightly scented lotion when appropriate. Move slowly and focus on helping her unwind instead of rushing through the experience. The intention behind the gesture is often more meaningful than the gesture itself. Number 2, playful and respectful teasing. Many men avoid flirting because they're afraid of saying the wrong thing. However, lighthearted and respectful teasing can create excitement and strengthen chemistry. The secret is confidence without adding pressure. A playful remark, a sincere compliment, or a touch of humor can make interactions more enjoyable and unforgettable. Attraction often develops through positive emotional experiences rather than dramatic gestures. Number 3, gently running your fingers through her hair. It may sound simple, but many women find this gesture soothing and affectionate. Hair is often connected with relaxation and emotional intimacy. During a peaceful moment together, softly touching or stroking her hair can create a feeling of comfort and closeness. Timing is important though. A quiet evening together on the couch is very different from doing it when she's busy, stressed, or uncomfortable. Number 4, placing a reassuring hand on her back. Sometimes the smallest gestures express the most. Resting your hand gently on her back while walking through a crowded place can create a feeling of support and togetherness. It isn't about control, it's about being present. This subtle gesture can help her feel that you're paying attention and looking out for her, especially in unfamiliar or crowded surroundings. Number 5, showing up when it truly matters. Many women value knowing they can depend on their partner during difficult times. This doesn't mean behaving aggressively. It means staying calm, composed, and supportive whenever challenges appear. If someone is respecting her or making her feel uncomfortable, handling the situation with confidence and maturity can strengthen trust. Feeling protected isn't only about physical strength. More often, it's about emotional dependability. Number 6, sharing a meaningful dream. Telling her that you dreamed about her made